Meaning of East Coast fever.
East Coast fever.
East Coast fever.
East Coast fever.
East Coast fever. East Coast fever is a cattle disease caused by a parasite called Filaria parva. It is widely found in sub-Saharan Africa and is responsible for significant economic losses due to the high mortality rates of infected livestock. The parasites are spread through tick bites and can cause fever, anemia, respiratory distress, and ultimately death if left untreated. There are currently no vaccines available for East Coast fever, and management options include tick control measures and chemotherapy. Prompt diagnosis and treatment are crucial for controlling the spread of the disease.